Are you struggling to lose weight, but don't know where to start? Well, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll be sharing 10 delicious weight loss dinner recipes that will help you shed those extra pounds while satisfying your taste buds. So, get ready to transform your dinner routine and start seeing results. Lemon, garlic, shrimp, and broccoli. This low-carb and high-protein dinner recipe is perfect for those looking to lose weight. The shrimp is packed with protein, while the broccoli provides essential vitamins and minerals. Grilled chicken with asparagus. This easy and quick recipe is a great source of lean protein and fiber. The asparagus helps to boost your metabolism and aid in weight loss. Zucchini noodles with tomato and basil. This vegetarian recipe is a low-carb alternative to traditional pasta dishes. Zucchini noodles are a great source of fiber and vitamins, while the tomato and basil add a burst of flavor. Baked salmon with roasted Brussels sprouts. Salmon is a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which can help to reduce inflammation and aid in weight loss. The Brussels sprouts are high in fiber and low in calories, making them a great addition to any weight loss diet. Turkey chili with cauliflower rice. This hearty and filling recipe is a great way to satisfy your cravings without compromising your weight loss goals. The cauliflower rice is a low-carb alternative to traditional rice, while the turkey provides a lean source of protein. Spaghetti squash with meatballs. This creative twist on a classic Italian dish is a great way to satisfy your pasta cravings without the added carbs. Spaghetti squash is a low-calorie alternative to pasta, while the meatballs provide a good source of protein. Tuna salad lettuce wraps. These light and refreshing lettuce wraps are a perfect lunch or dinner option. The tuna is a great source of protein, while the lettuce provides a low-carb alternative to bread. Cauliflower fried rice with chicken. This low-carb and high-protein recipe is a great way to satisfy your Chinese takeout cravings without the added calories. The cauliflower rice is a low-carb alternative to traditional rice, while the chicken provides a lean source of protein. Baked cod with steamed vegetables. This simple and healthy recipe is perfect for those looking to lose weight. The cod is a great source of protein, while the steamed vegetables provide essential vitamins and minerals. Grilled steak with roasted vegetables. This satisfying and delicious recipe is a great source of lean protein and fiber. The roasted vegetables are a great source of essential nutrients and add a burst of flavor. There you have it. 10 delicious and healthy dinner recipes that will help you lose weight and keep you feeling satisfied. Whether you're looking for low-carb, high-protein, or vegetarian options, we've got you covered. So, start incorporating these recipes into your meal plan and watch the pounds melt away. I hope you like it. If you like this, then share it with your friends and subscribe our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.